Hello, Elle here, and you're watching another video from Everbee London. This month I'm stagering my sowing and planting so that it's not one great big mad rush. There have been a couple of disasters on the gardening front here. I'll tell you all about that in another video. Suffice to say, I now have a huge backlog of videos to edit and post, so your notification bell may be ringing a little bit more than usual this week. Anyway, back to the good stuff. First up, Freckles is a variety of lettuce I've never grown before. So called because of its markings on the leaves, I'm hoping that it will provide a base for future spring salads and also a colourful addition to the lunch plate. To accompany Freckles, I'm growing mixed salad leaves which have a lovely spicy kick and I think will go well together with the lettuce. Last year I tried and failed to grow Egyptian onions, which I think I started far too early in the year. So this time I delayed indoor sowing to the second week of March. It's said that once you grow Egyptian onions, you never need to grow another onion again. This season I'll be trying my hand at growing Hungarian blue bread seed poppies for the poppy seeds and the attractive purple blue flowers. Growing red Welsh onions is a new for me. I've only grown the white variety before, so it's going to be interesting to see how these turn out. Nasturtiums are also on the edible list. Two kinds. First, the Tom Thumb mix for their colourful flowers and peppery tasting leaves and petals. And Moon Gleam, again for its peppery flavour and cheerful yellow blooms. And finally, another new variety of onion to me, Walla Walla. They're a type of sweet onion which should be ideal for vegetarian dishes such as cheese and onion tart. That's it for the early edibles March sowings. I'll be back again soon with the pollinator sowings. Let me know what you have sown so far this year. As ever, thanks for watching. Do take care of yourself and each other. Happy gardening, and until next time. Bye for now.